Bobrisky, the mummy of Lagos, was never in prison. Bobrisky was chilling in an apartment. And when Bobrisky was in that apartment, he was chatting with me.
My country people, this naija don dey fear me cause a lot dey happen behind closed doors. Guys, if you see the evidence wey this man provided against Bobrisky, backing very dark man up on wetin very dark man talk say Bobrisky allegedly was never in prison. No be for my mouth una go hear. Make I play the video, make you sef take your ear hear wetin dey happen. Ha!
Not like seeing people oppressed, irrespective of their sexuality. But you know what? Bobrisky is an ungrateful person. He doesn't keep to his words. Bobrisky never compensated me for everything I did for him on social media. I defended him a couple of times, and you guys know that. He's an ungrateful person, and I'm here with proof. He never ever went to prison. Check out the voice notes Bobrisky sent me when he was in an apartment, chilling like a villain.
Hi, good morning. How are you? See, I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful. God bless you. I see everything you do. I see all your posts. People have been telling me, or this guy has been saying good things about you, has been posting you. Thank you so much. I'm fine. Like, I'm very fine. So don't be worried. Don't be stressed. I'm really fine. Don't worry. I'll tell you some things probably when I'm in position to explain to you better. I would explain everything to you, you know. But I'm very fine. Like, I'm very fine. So I'm okay. I know people are scared. They're worried. Oh, Bobrisky's in the prison. Bobrisky is this. I'm very okay. I'm fine. Thank you so much. Thank you one more time for everything you've been doing. God bless you. It's so sad that I was asked not to post anything. If not, I would have reposted all your videos and I'll post everything. I appreciate you, but immediately when it is time for me to do that, that will be the first thing I'm gonna do. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
You're a star and nothing will stop your shine, trust me. All these people saying rubbish on the internet, they're not rich now. They're not rich. They're just online blabbing, internet warriors, keypad warriors. Keep living, keep doing your thing. God got you. I'm happy you are fine. That's the voice of Bobrisky and myself conversing in a voice note. Bobrisky said to me that I shouldn't worry, that a lot of people are thinking he's in prison, but he's not. Bobrisky never ever went to prison. Him coming out to say that Very Dark Man lied and saying that the voice in that voice note Very Dark Man played wasn't his. It's a big joke. That was Bobrisky speaking to someone. You can also compare that voice note played by Very Dark Man and this voice note I played, and you will tell that it was Bobrisky. Bobrisky was never ever in prison. And trust me, Bobrisky took that 4 million naira from that guy and didn't want to refund him because Bobrisky does not keep to his words. Bobrisky was meant to compensate me for defending him online, but he never did. That's to show you that Bobrisky never ever keeps to his words. Bobrisky is a manipulator. Bobrisky is not a sincere person. And if you ever want to do business with Bobrisky, be careful because he is not reliable. I've got another evidence of Bobrisky being in an apartment and I'm going to play it now with the chats he sent to me that period as well. Check it out, guys. That's Bobrisky chilling in an apartment when we thought he was in prison. That was why he came out with so many pictures, because basically he was just there chilling and going to the studio to take pictures to pepper us when he comes out. But he was never in prison. That was why Bobrisky had a lot of pictures to post when he came out. Bobrisky had 15 million naira to spend on cake. He spent a lot of money on doing his party when he came out, but he never kept to his words. He never compensated me. That shows He is not a reliable person. Bobrisky was chilling in an apartment. He never ever went to prison. I applaud very dark black man for uncovering this, and I am backing him up on this.
Omo, things dey occur. My people waiting on that think.